Hello? Oh, these niggas already in the call. I bet, homeboys. Yo,
Yo said,
what's up?
yo, good morning.
Good morning, man. Everybody hit today. That's what's up.
You be the first one here.
Yeah, y'all looking at the market yet?
Yeah, I did a top down.
How you calling?
We got 10 a.m. news waiting for open, but market's chopping right now.
Yeah, big gap to the upside, to the downside on the VIX. That's bullish.
Yeah, even on the daily, it looks pretty bullish.
New month, by the way. It's a good thing. What side here? So this is high impact on top sub, but it's actually yellow on Forex Factory. That's another reason why I include yellow for the news.
What is high impact?
The 9:45 news scandal that's coming out at 9:45.
Oh yeah, Forest Factory yellow.
It says it's yellow, but
Wow, I knew it was gonna gap up.
let's
Let's see it. That's actually perfect.
almost hit buy side there. It's 328 or 329 for me. Just took it.
I had an entry at 928.
No way.
I didn't take the entry, but I'm glad.
It's all good. It's literally just been a minute. It's gonna be.
Literally, I'm already knowing.
It be like time is so crazy. Like it will make it seem like this is the only move, but it's literally only a minute.
Yeah, volatility is just kicking in.
Yeah.
I'm hip.
Yeah. The break and retest. Why is your you trade at 9:45? It's not. It's gonna get you more money. It's like a volume imbalance or whatever the hell this is. That we tapping into on the 15. You already starting off strong. That's like 88 points right there. That's good. Sprinting higher off the open. Just sprinting higher off the open.
I closed at 145 ticks. I don't even flop my go.
Nice. Pretty said 1 minute gap. I'll get in there. Volume picking up at the top there. Everybody get made. $125 candle move. Good upside. A lot of orders stacking up there. Feels like it's chasing it.
Target I see this going to first is that 4 hour unmitigated fair value gap.
What about four
Around
fifty?
450.
450?
On that 10 a.m. Thursday candle.
Yeah. Point of control is up there now. Are we gonna keep trending? That's the question. I'm sure I get there. I'm hoping to get in. My side is right there. The seller is picking up at the top there, right before taking buy side. Use at 9:45 as well. I'm almost out on this trade. Wait for it to take buy side first. Is your account open up again?
In about 20 minutes, 22 minutes.
Oh. Whoa.
I want to see it pull all the way back down to like 338. It's just like a lot of little bit of value gaps.
Yeah, come down there. It's like volume stacking up all the way up here. Well, and then see why we were consolidating too. If it pulls back into that fair value gap on one, that's a without taking buy side. I'd like it for a long, but just because we're so close to buy side, we might take it and then start reversing. And that's bearish S&T, by the way. If it takes it, which is about to right here. We took it. That's bearish S&T.
Top to bottom like 4 hours.
I'm bullish stars.
Yo, I'm gonna catch you later, okay?
Alright.
Peace.
Right into that value gap before I work around, top to bottom.
So we left point of control. Come back in there. I'd like to get in. Look like we're holding. That's a taking buy side.
Okay. You say as soon as market open, that's beautiful money. Are you really? Okay, you have to give me one now.
Just green on the tape.
We tapped that fair value gap.
Dude.
I'm gonna wait for news, of course, now to post the news.
Tap the fair value gap where?
4 hour.
Oh, good call. Good call. Good call. Good call. Good call. Ooh, Vic's almost filled the gap. Where's that? Ultimate? Oh, it's not. Spare system T. Like we got chopping 4 hour fair value gap. Oh, it's chopping 1 minute there. I didn't even notice. Right before news. Bear system T, 4 hour gap. Almost at the high of the ATR. Point of control below us. Deep retracement. Not liking the pullback either. Right after taking a high. Bear system T. Right before news. If we inverse this gap, I'll probably take a short. So it's picking up that.
I'm also looking for that.
It's a pullback. I'm just waiting for news. I said, like, I'm not trying to take a trade right before news front running. You know, we also have 10 a.m.
Wow. If you didn't say that, I was going to enter this short.
Yeah.
Forgot about the news. Yeah.
10
Gotta
a.m.
keep mine.
10 a.m. news as well. Like, red folder 10 a.m. news. So I want to take it, but that's just too risky for me. Because it could give a better entry at 9:45. Or not.
What's wrong with this?
Red on the tape. Hit tap point of control. See if it respects it or not. It's getting increasingly harder for me to hold on to my horses. A 1 minute gap there. If we take that gap, if we tap that gap, I wouldn't mind shorting that. It's just the entry. But then 9:45 could give us a better entry. I could go any 15. Yellow folder, red folder, who knows? Almost tapped it there. Point of control just running lower with it too. I'd probably take it, honestly. 9:44. How many points is this? It's 30 points to the high. It's a lot of points. Tap that 1 minute gap. Tapped it again. Right before news. Bear some T, took a high. Tapped the high of it. Failing. Right on the tape. Price is jumping a bit there. Hold on, man. 15 seconds. I can wait 15 seconds. I can wait 10 seconds. Hammer trigger. That gives me an entry. This is an entry here. Top wick. I like that. That's good. Took the short there. Tap point of control. I gotta go break even. Fuck. I can't. I have to. It's too volatile.
I'm waiting for 391 and then I'll go break even. Once we tap that 1 minute unmitigated gap.
I have to, bro. Because it's tap point of control. I have to, bro.
Oh yeah, you gotta follow your rules.
Nice. Crack. I'm going for the low that 1 minute fair value gap. Nice.
Break even.
Nice. Tap the 5 minute fair value gap. Could respond there. There's buying in there too.
Yeah, I'll take whatever.
I want to come deeper though. Because the sellers are stacking up there. That's why I took buy side. Am I being dumb? 42 points on a 50-point ATR. Ram of the tape. Let's do it. Watching. Red on the tape still. Tap that 1 minute fair value gap. Red on the tape still. Turning red.
I'm trailing my stop.
Yeah, good point. I'm trailing my 2. Just turning red. I should TP here. TP is at 49. I'm moving it lower.
I'm holding. There's no reason for me to sell.
It's having 1 minute fair value gap, so that's the reason.
Oh yeah, no, I'm saying like I need it. Alright, this candle's. Let's see how we can't close this thing off.
I gotta take half off. So I think I should buy. If it respects this right here, I have to close it. I like that rejection. Right on the tape with that move too and not lower. It's a lot of buying here. This is like a good buy. Like if this was like if I wanted to buy this market, I'd buy right here. Holy shit, bro. I'm watching the 1 second for the close. I'm trailing tight. Fuck it. Gotta break this low here. It's about to stop me out. Stop me out. That's fine. It's a good buy if it was a buy.
Alright, took TP. I did not get stopped out. I just wanted to get out, but
Yeah,
pretty close now.
respect on the 15. It's still remember it's still bullish. It just rebalanced back into that big gap. So this could be a long if you're not careful. Also did tap into the 1 minute fair value gap. I don't know if we're shorting or longing, so I'm kind of want to be a little patient here.
I'll count it as a break-even trade, bro. That was about 30 points. just because I could see there's more unmitigated gaps for it to target. You know what? I'm gonna re-enter.
I want to too, but I already TP. I gotta chill. News in 10 minutes as well. 9:50.
Oh yeah, there's news in 10 minutes, but then Powell speaks after that. And how we're holding right here, I think
It respected that 1 minute gap. Fair value gap. It's up to 50%. My TP probably would have got hit, but it is what it is. Holy shit, bro. My TP would have got hit. That's crazy. That's mother freaking crazy.
break even again.
Nice. Red on the tape. My TP would have got smashed. Holy shit. Red there. I don't know what else. I don't know what else to say about
I'm
this.
taking TP on that. Ooh, that was nice.
Good trade, bro.
I'm still gonna look for re-entry. I like how I'm kind of getting in and out as I'm comfortable. But I could hold this too. Only because there's news, I'll wait. I'll be a little more patient. But I could see it even going to like 3:30.
My original thesis was bullish, but it's just because we took buy side, that's why I took the sell. That's coming.
To be honest, this would have been a really good trade to hold off of just like following my rules because we tapped a higher time frame PD array, then we got an IFVG like perfect, less than 6 candles.
Yeah.
Tap that, break even. I guess I was scared. I didn't want to give money back to the market. That's why I got out. But this is a good trade. I would have held this.
Good trade regardless, man. Held no held, still a good trade. Get set up, followed our plan, discipline. It's good trade.
Yep.
The only thing I'm mad about is
I just didn't know what to target like officially.
I respect the
Wow,
target.
but this is beautiful. I love it. I can't even lie. Like I would have held through this. I can't say I would have. I will try next time to hold through something like this. If I have no reason to sell, like really, or I should be okay with it hitting my break even.
Personally, this could have easily respected that 1 minute gap. It kept going higher. Easily.
Yeah, it was just that higher time frame. We have a 4-hour PD array.
Yeah. Turning red on the tape there, red on the volume profile as well. I'm starting to think this is a sell. But I don't know where I'd sell down to. It's kind of ugly.
Oh, this is actually like A plus. Oh my, this would have been an A+ setup for me.
Yeah. Tap the higher time frame. Bear system TF. You forgot that.
Yeah, it's still cool though.
Should I take? I okay.
Yeah, this was where my TP was. 330s got smashed.
We got news in 6 minutes, so no reason to rush. Let me go do something else.
Alright, we tapped the fair value. It's nice.
Yeah. waiting until news, man. I'm okay. 1000% okay. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently clear and 63 degrees. Temperatures are heading down from 63 to 59 degrees tonight.
I hate working a job, bro.
Hey, keep hustling so you don't have to.
Yep. I don't know. Catch FOMO, so I'm not looking at that. Okay. Hey, Top Step decided to log me out. That's even better. You know?
Bearish, bullish SMT. Are you done trading?
Nah, I waited until 10. Use at 10.
Okay.
So 10. Like, there's literally no reason. New hour, 10 a.m. There's gonna be a setup that's a lot better than that. Whatever it is.
Yeah.
Your account open yet?
Hmm?
Your account open?
No. So what happens is, right? I put it for 9, but it did 9 o'clock my time, not 9 o'clock.
So what you saying? You saying what? You saying not? So it's 9:45 on your time? So basically 10 a.m. for you. Is it wait, so 10 a.m. or 10:45?
10 a.m., which is for me is in 2 minutes because it'll be 9 o'clock in almost like 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So next time I lock in, I gotta remember this is my time. It's not gonna go by New York time.
That's another thing about trading. Like if you start, $3 minutes is
Yo,
over.
Yeah,
take any trades? Yeah.
I was literally looked like I was here with y'all when y'all took that short, but I just didn't take it. I don't know. I gotta work on like my confidence. I just didn't want to like lose, but that was a good trade.
Beautiful trade.
Yeah, I also have to work on my confidence because I didn't go with my normal entry size. So I cut it in half so that it kind of helped. I guess that's good. That is kind of like,
I don't blame you, Nate. Like we have.
it's very early too. So you can always just risk less if you're not as confident.
I don't blame you, Nate. Though
Be more.
I don't blame you, Nate, because we've been having some terrible price action recently.
Yeah.
I don't blame you, man. And it's a Monday. Holy shit, man. Was it 50 seconds? 50 seconds so Erica's out the bag.
Okay, I gotta check.
Yeah, we got volume all throughout this candle. Let's see what we do in a new hour. 5-minute gap. All that. Snooze. Good. Drop in. I don't know.
Yeah, I can't even hate on this. That was like the final TP. Now we got to see what we can find.
1 minute. Stay patient.
Indeed.
Don't give it to us. So
Yeah, at this point, I might have to go put like a show on because I gotta be patient.
So it's a new hour. 77 points off that. 77 points on a 82-point ATR. That's good.
Thanks.
Green on the tape at the bottom there. That's interesting. You say it took out buy side here, or sell side, and we didn't take it on ES. That's bullish. SMT. What the fuck is national values?
It took all my EPs that I was thinking of for the shorts, so now I'm not even. Yeah, I'm kind of back to neutral.
Yeah, I honestly don't know. See, if I wanted to take a long, I don't know. Structure looks kind of strange. Like we had to break through. Like yeah, we took buy side. I'm not sure. Back in a 1 minute gap.
1 minute gap looks like it might get inverse.
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't be mad about that either. Because we got bullish SMC. And then we're turning green all over on the volume profile. You see that, Erica? Oh, never mind. Do you got that? I want to see how we react to these sellers. Kind of curious. This will be a good short. We drop lower here on the volume profile. New 5 coming up. Yeah, all the buyers are in profit. Bullish SMT. VIX hasn't filled the gap yet. I don't know. I would enter it be in this gap for a buy. Let's see. That 1 minute gap there. You see that, Nate?
Yeah, I like this.
I mean, LOL. Bro, that was legendary, bro. That was legendary. I'm about to take this by. I'm in this by. I stopped out on accident. This by here. Let's see. Just the buys are in profit, and then like took Butch with some tea. It's a little heavy though. That's the only reason I'm not seeing too much green on the tape. E5. It's a little heavy though. Turn red. Red on the tape as well.
I'm gonna sell Sigh at 164.
Yeah, I'm not mad about that. Still green. Red on the tape.
Yes, sellers are. I believe sellers are still in control right now.
Yeah.
We need big buyers right here. This is a ideal price point for buyers.
I don't want to stop out of the trade.
What's it? This is ideal if you want to see buyers. Yeah, this is bad.
Never mind. I'm confident now. Just that whole thing just turned green. This thing turns red. I'll be pretty confused. Point of control is right there too. I don't know. I didn't update on the one. These two. Nice.
Okay.
Tap point of control on the 5 bet. Bullish with some T. Let's see. I'll probably take half off or something. I'm buying to sell. Never mind. I'm just chilling tight. Shit. Chilling tight. Need 30-second candle. Ooh, don't stop me out. Ah, I gotta take half off there. Took half. Trail tape. Red on the tape. That's point of control. I took half. I'll leave the rest to run. It's a 1 minute gap. I gotta put my stop below there. I have to. It's just green. Like this whole thing is just green, but we're back at a big area of demand. Nice. Continuing the bullish thesis, I guess. QQQ. Fill the gap.
We also had a new 4 hour.
Yeah, Yeah, that 4 hour looks clean too. Rejected it. I want to see it continue. Maybe to 376. We're at point of control. I really want to just take this straight off. Like, I don't really. There'll be another one. Like, I don't even. There's no reason why this should go higher, actually. No momentum. Like, buyers are accepting this price here. Really no reason for this to go higher. I'm chilling at stop tight below. If it, I don't want it to go in that fair value gap, actually. So I'm gonna stop this below that low. 75. So that's stop me out. Stop me out. That's fine. Right on the tape. Should have taken that point of control, but whatever. See how it responds here. Tap point of control and respected it. Cheers. Just not trading. It's too much value down here. That's like create a new low or something. It's just too much value right here. Way too much value. I'm just gonna play chess.
Once we go to 348, I'll move to break even.
What you wanna sell? I mean, buy me.
Buy. Yeah, I've been in a buy.
I just can't take a trade here. I'm not gonna lie. If I were you, I like reduce. I would like take some profit. Take something off the table. If I take this and then do that, take, attack you. He has to go back. I get it with tempo. Oh, he just messed up.
Market's indecisive here.
Yeah, we're at point of control.
That's where point of control is.
Yeah, literally.
Once we break above that, it's up then, right?
That's if we break above it.
Yeah. If we break above it, it's. What would you say? Does it have like any targets you could see on volume profile?
Like it's kind of hard to see past point of control, in my opinion. It's like I don't know, like buy side high a day. Like I don't know. It's just all I know is that point of control is where we're at right now, and that's why I'm not really taking any trades for right now. If you take that and then
Do you target point of control?
maybe sometimes it
Because
depends
now,
depends on the trade.
if we break above this, because we could kind of see like a slight resistance, right? What would be a confluence for you to enter? Like a fair value gap?
Yeah, but just because it breaks above point of control, it has to like show serious demand above point of control because it tends to draw back to point of control. So I kind of want to be careful taking a trade straight off of it or targeting it or whatever. Like it's very like once point of control gets established, I kind of want to be hands free a little bit because because what it is that buyers and sellers like that price. They're saying, hey, we like this price. There's no reason for it to continue going higher or lower because they're saying they like this price. Unless some type of demand gets created or some type of news makes us bullish or bearish, then there's no reason. In my
So
humble
point of
opinion,
control could change.
it can change, yes, but right now it's not. So that's why I'm waiting. And for it to change, that means that price has to leave this area. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Is it the same on all time frames?
Yeah. Yes. Take, no. I should have went here. Wow, this guy just blended his queen. Yeah. Resign. Go here, then go here. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Let's go here. Open up the center. That pawn is weak. Target you. If he takes my bishop, that'd be kind of crazy. Okay, good. Pinning you. Yeah, he's gonna do that probably. I'll take. Because he is kind of controlling the square here. But he's also not able to move. I go back. Ooh, let's do that. Beautiful move. Yeah. I don't mind. I could have taken here. Wait a minute. Oh, that was dumb. This is hanging. do I do here? There. No. No. Takes. No. Yes, no. You can take, that's fine. If he takes, I'll take, freeing up my rook. And actually, wait, because then if I take and he takes back, I take. My knight is hanging. Knight is hanging. Takes. Ooh, I like this here. Takes. Here. Takes. Got the scope right here. No, that's a lie. Because then takes. No. I don't know. What's the best move here? What is the best move? Yes, is going higher there. I like that. I wonder what's gonna happen for NQ. What is the best move? Here. If I go here, I can move this pawn now because he's, yeah, this, but then my knight is still hanging. So maybe this bishop isn't doing much. So let's defend my bishop or my knight. Defend you. Then the next move will be here. So, and then maybe here. I gotta. Okay, we're breaking above point of control. You move? Oh, you did?
Yeah, moving my stop to break even.
Shit.
You said you're moving your stop?
Yeah,
Nice.
break even. I'm not gonna let this type of trade go right. That would fry me. Better safe than sorry, but just hold. All right, I'm trailing my stop.
So
Guaranteeing some profits now.
now that we're in a 5-minute gap, if we, we look bullish, this is bullish SMT. This is give me a fair value gap, then I'll probably get in this for a buy. Let's double enforce this.
All right, should have been went. Taking profit right here. It's cool with me. What do I mean? It should have been went. It's calm. To be honest, I think I should call it a day. I had really good trades.
Yeah.
I just have to hold. Like my first trade, the first short, I got in short 3 times. So I scalped it pretty much. But I could have saved myself that if I just held. This trade was good too. Got in for the long. It came to a swing swing high. My thing's break even. I'm watching this 1 minute fair value gap. But to be honest, I'm not trying to even trade after 11. Yeah, I think the move that you guys took was
What'd you say?
at least until news.
What'd you say?
I said the trade that y'all took earlier, the inverse at like 9:45. I think that was the setup until Powell speaks. You're talking about the short? Yeah. Yeah, the short was probably the best trade that I saw today. Higher time frame PDRA, IFEG, quick. It was sweet. We even tapped into a fair value gap after forming the IFEG. If your stop was right there, good risk management could have been accomplished. That's kind of why I wasn't too happy with myself, because I don't think my risk management was good by entering and re-entering when I already had a trade that was at profit and break even. But I'm gonna work on that. And then yeah, that short, that long was not even bad itself. We inversed, tap back into the inverse. The only reason I would rather I would rather free it right now is because we got 1 p.m. Powell. It's a Monday. And 4 trades is more than enough. At least 4 entries. I should not even be entering this many times. Not more than 2. But I'll stay on to watch the market, but I'm done trading. Right. Actually, there's like this new challenge on TradingView. I think I'm gonna do that. It's like a paper trading challenge. Mm-hmm. If I could find any serious trades, I'll take it. But yeah, if y'all see it on TradingView, it's called the Leap. It's
I
like
think I heard that before.
Yeah. Oh, it's something they've probably done before. Yeah. They give you like 100K paper trading account, and it's a contest, and like winners can win something. Hey, you never know. You could win. It just started this month. It'll be a good for back testing and practice as well. We're never too good to back test or practice. I know that much.
Thank you.
You see, if we didn't have that 1 p.m. news, I feel like we would have had more. But hey, do you recognize Head and Shoulders?
Me?
Yeah, or any of y'all? Like, do I recognize it? Yeah, like a bullish or a bearish one, because we had one. We had shoulders here, head here, shoulders, and then you kind of wait for the, I guess, neckline or something to break.
Yeah,
Shoulders.
it's a pattern, like a pattern that it's a pattern that happens due to price action. I don't know what you mean by recognize. Like it's gonna show up, of
I'm
course.
saying, do you see the one that we made at 10 a.m. with the head being
Oh yeah.
active?
Oh okay.
And then we kind of break through and then after the break, we're up 50 points. Wow. That's good. That's good. My risk management, I think I'm gonna keep this size micros. Like I was only trading 4 micros today.
Mm-hmm. You
Like
like
it.
it?
I wouldn't have took these trades if I was with my mini.
Oh yeah.
a lot more fear involved. Because I guess if you're scared, that means your risk is not correct.
Yeah,
You shouldn't be scared.
Nah, that's actually facts. If you're scared, your risk is not right. That's facts.
It's the checkmates. It's the checkmates.
We just inversed at 5 minutes.
Oh, I'm sick. That's crazy. Nice.
But we also just did this type of 5 minute fair value gap as well. Hey man.
Yeah, I'm not looking for nothing until I don't even like this price action. In my opinion.
Nah, for real. That is price action a little too slow for me, but it's still moving. It's just maybe I gotta be more patient because niggas don't be making $100 an hour anywhere else. I should be happy with 100 an hour, even 105 minutes.
Crazy.
I'm excited. I can't wait till I trade a live account. Live account. Once we master the prop firm, we're gonna be prepared for managing a good risk on live accounts.
But I was telling Erica, like, what if like people get so good, which I don't think so, but I really think like eventually prop firms, like, niggas are gonna start renting prop firms, and then they gonna have to do it to the point where they're gonna have to make so many rules to the point where it's untradeable, and it's just like, bro, like,
Yeah, that's
I don't know if I could, like, move into a live account is kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie, like, on who I don't have like a risk parameter. I don't have top stuff. They give you all these lockout features. It's like it's all on you at this point. It's all
I
on you.
mean, because it's psychological at the end of the, like, let's say your risk is still up to you how you manage it, your entry, all of that. Of course, like, if you mean like what's gonna stop you, what's gonna hold you back, maybe we gotta find a broker that can allow us that, and there's definitely brokers that can do that.
Yeah.
We just gotta find it. But I'm with it. That's why I'm thinking, hey, people get that good, we just gonna have to go with the wave and get even better, pay ourselves every day.
Facts.
To be honest though, I think I'm gonna call it a day right here.
I respect it, bro. It's not
I
even right to go to the high.
I'm just get off the charts and then I'm actually like trying to take back something serious.
Mhm.
So I think this is enough screen time for now. I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna get back on later. I'll let you know, Omar, if you're down.
All right, I'm about to go to work.
Oh, you gotta work.
What time are you?
I'm not even sure. You know us. We got runs and stuff too. So I'm
Yeah. All right, yeah, I might be back on like in the evening.
Yeah, in the evening. Yeah, I should be free around like 5, 6.
All right, bet. All right, I'm gonna see y'all then.
Yeah, have a good day, y'all.
All right, man.
Peace.
Now we're talking to that 5 minute for how you go. Okay. Just post it all of it. post the buy side at 432 that we already had took, but we do have a 4-hour for that. We got the we haven't completely took, and then we got another 4-hour above that. How you feeling over there?
Chilling.
Look at that consolidation. The top of that consolidation, 381.
I don't like any of this price action. Like it's moving, but I don't like it. It's just
Itchy. It's that like it's a slow inch higher. I don't
yeah, exactly.
that shit. I've been like scalping because I was drawn out. I was in positive until I started to sell, and then I kept trying to force a sell down the sell side, the London low sell side, but it did not take. It's not the sell side. Let me check before I go on. Yeah, the London sell side didn't take it 164 down there. I kept trying to force that, so I got in red, but now out of drawn. So I'm thinking like I'm probably gonna wait and see what it does, because I know we got Paul speaking. What time is he speaking? He's speaking
1 p.m. my time.
So I don't know if it's just doing this little itch higher because of that. But we on a 3-minute chart, like we already have one down candle. So I just think this is like a correction. Like it's just like a correcting some of it. And probably end up taking the midline of the 4. I don't know how he said it.
The consequent
encroachment level.
The consequent encroachment. Yeah, it's just all this volume right here. I'm not a fan of it.
I'm too short. Fools hate this. Look at this.
You reaching it though. You reaching it. Doing something right. I would take this long here, but there's still sellers right here. Sellers here and couple trap buyers. Probably will get out of break even.
I'm too short. I'm too short. So if I pick you up, put you up there, we get the toaster? Huh? You gotta put your knee right here. There's your knee up there. Oh, then you gotta put it up there.
Volume is increasing right here too. I don't know.
Short people problems, bro.
Holy moly. Yeah, we just rejected hard.
Did we?
Yeah, like my whole screen just froze. And then we opened up lower.
Okay. I gotta use my channel to get toasted. Toasted. I know it's from my swimsuit. I forgot this half shirt on.
I don't know what's going on.
It keeps rising up. Why do you even have that big ass? Because I'm not normal height. I'm small. That's like a normal height cat.
I just don't like this volume right here. You just like Holy Mary.
Oh, what was that?
Yeah, you go down just like Holy Mary, Mariana, Mariana. You beauty. Why is Tony calling me? Give me a second. Hold on. Tony.
Man,
Yeah.
they might need you this Friday morning, man. Roy go to closure in his house in New York, and Sophie can't. Sophie might can't work in the morning no more.
All right, I'm gonna get back to you. I'm a little busy.
Still a little busy.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Okay.
Yeah. They, bitch ass niggas calling me for work. I just can't take the shade on this area because it's just it could potentially like this is the new point of control area, and that's hard for me to be confident in this type of trade.
I can't see. I don't have my. I accidentally was trying to get rid of a fair value gap, the old one, and value profile. I'm gonna put it back on.
Got rid of the moneymaker. Let's take this out.
I jumped into a sell to take it to this little fair value gap, this 5 minute fair value gap at the bottom. I don't know how I feel about it right now. I like the setup, but I don't know how I feel. It's like it's trying, but it's not going, and I don't like that.
Yeah, that's where point of control is. I took the sell with you just because the setup looked nice and we kind of rejecting it. I'll cut it quick if it doesn't respect. So I'll cut it quick if it doesn't respect.
That's what I'm looking at. If it breaks, I want to see it break 363 and stay below. And then, yeah, 5 minute fair value gap is what I'm looking at. There we go. So I like to see.
Oh, you mean like 340 or something?
344.
Yeah. Let's keep this a little below there. But I think I'm gonna stop up for it. I mean, I'm gonna take some at the low. That low right there. Take half. Because I don't even like the straight idea in the first place.
I don't like it, so the fair value gap is.
Oh, I added. I added on accident.
Okay, let's see. I got stopped out.
I added on accident.
Yeah, I got stopped out. I was trying really tight, but I really think it's gonna go hit 344. But I was on a 3 minute. I'll go back to a 30-second. It's creating a fair value gap on a 30-second. I gotta get these waffles, but damn. I'm gonna get back in, but it's too close to my TP at 344. It's about to go hit it. I feel like if it can get below, yeah, there it go. If it can get below 350, but it might come to tap this fair value gap. It may on a 30-second. Sure. See it? I'm not liking that.
Was that 30-second?
Yes.
Yeah, that was. I accidentally added into a trade.
Like that's not 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. Juice and Lord. Hi. Hi. I'm gonna say hi too. Come on, hi. Hey. Huh? What's going on with the weather? You said a potential who? Potential flight. Potential flight. Your husband. No, your husband is sleeping. I told him to be quiet. No, I'm about to go. I'm about to go. I'm gonna get sick. She said y'all really like Sister Joel. Oh gosh. because I'm in a trading hall.
A crazy way to live.
They already did though. They said they already by the way, there's a hurricane. So the hurricane This is who? Oh, you heard LO. All I'm hearing is prepare for a flight. That's all I'm hearing. I'm hearing. I'm hearing prepare for a flight. How is Maryland? How is Maryland looking over there?
Looks great. Never, we don't have to deal with none of this. We don't got no type of nothing.
I have never even been part of a hurricane, anything. So.
I've been part of one hurricane in my lifetime. I've been part of one hurricane in my lifetime.
How was it?
Raining.
Which is raining.
Yes. Strong winds, very rainy.
I think I should call it a day today.
I don't know. I'm kind of looking. I mean, like, I'm kind of like just seeing how we react right here. I get in front of the lawn. You find that? But I wouldn't be mad if you did, because there's not too much going on.
Okay, I'm not gonna see, but I'm looking like I'm running up one day. So it's like it's choppy and I don't back at it, but I'm at a 30-second. I gotta look out. Now? Yes. You want me to put the right amount of syrup? Okay. And then here's three. I did put butter on.
Holy shit, bro. 20.
The syrup is too sweet. Like, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Consolidation. That's what I'm looking at. 5 minute, I'm looking like it might be a sell, possibly a buy, which is consolidation. 15 minute look like a consolidation. It ain't made of mine. They can get mine. Sell. But I don't know. I don't know. It's iffy. 30 minute is showing me a pullback so it can continue a fire. Yeah, I think it might
If
be
I
like
was a young boy.
30 minutes showing me higher. 4 hours showing me 387 for me to look at. That's what I'm looking at.
Weapon?
Okay, so on a 4 hour, I want to see it break and hold 387. Breaks 387 on a 4 hour, it's a buy signal for me, but that's on a 4 hour.
If I was a young boy.
Okay. All right. Teddy down. That's what I'm seeing. And what did you see?
Holy shit, but I gotta go. Like, oh,
So what happened?
you frying the hell out of me, bro. Why the fuck I gotta go to work? Oh, holy shit, man. Huh?
We're locking up because you're leaving.
About to.
So we're not trading, right?
You show what?
We're not trading.
Yes.
And you know, I guess you got some confidence.
Just pissed me off, bro.
Huh?
If I was a young boy. Wow.
Singing and spinning in a circle.
If I was a young boy. I can't even put my cap. Like, ugh. Where my cap at? Dude. Using it. I got no cut, no nothing. That's crazy. Ah, all right. Well, let me I'll let you later. Call it a day. My AirPods about to die too? Like, oh man.